Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold, guys. What am I expecting on gold? Before we start today's analysis on gold, let's do a quick recap on gold. So what am I predicting on gold? If you watched my previous analysis on gold, I was predicting more of a sell rather than a buy on gold. If you watched it, I said that as long as we're below this trend line, below the trend line, I am more biased towards a sell, right? So we can see that we had this impulse right here, a correction around this area right here, and I said there's a possibility for it to continue to at least hit my first TP area, which mostly we know that is my negative 27% level. And I said that if we continue to see momentum of sell, then we might hit our negative 61.8% fib level, which is TP2 area. But you can see that we have this trickish move area right here that I thought it might continue to push to the downside, because we can see it came here, came up here, started rejecting around the 38.2% fib level right here, and it gave me this beautiful engulfing bear candle. So I thought that we might continue to push to the downside, right? And I took my entry around this area to ride it to my TP's area right here, but we can see that I started tanking to the upside. So this was definitely a loss, right? Which is fine. You can always predict the market. You always have losses as well. But as we can see that we actually came up with this, right? We came here, down here, we had this beautiful engulfing candle closes above the trend line, so I knew there's a possibility that we might continue to push to the upside. I remember as well that I like to, even despite the fact that I have biases, I still like to be open-minded in the market, because we know we don't predict the markets, we react to the market. So I've already had the mindset that just in case the sell doesn't go my way, right, and buy goes my way, where is my direction and where is my target? And my TP area, just like you know, was 2322.022, around that area right here, right, for my TP1 for buy move, and my TP2 for buy move, right? But as we can see that we had this beautiful candlestick right here. So as soon as we got that candlestick, I know there's a possibility for it to at least hit my first TP area right there. So if we have actually taken the trade around this here to here, it's giving us about 130 pips, right? We can say 130 pips. So that is my trade. That is the trade for gold, guys. But we can see that we actually even went more and extended more to at least my trend line area right here. So if I zoom out a little bit, we can see that gold is around this particular trend line, which we have hit the trend line now. This is like a touch of the trend line, right? But let's see how the market plays. Let's reanalyze the market based on the current price action. So delete all these ones right here, and let's see what the market is going. Delete this as well, I don't need that anymore, just to make the charts cleaner. So now let's go to my bigger time frame, which is my monthly time frame, and see. So if you've been watching my analysis on gold, guys, right, overall, right, based on the monthly time frame, we are currently around my negative 27% fib level, and like I've always mentioned, that's a reversal zone. So I'm just predicting some sort of a push, right, to sort of a downside right here. But remember, this is a monthly time frame. So let's go to my weekly time frame and see. So we can see that on my weekly time frame we had that push already to the downside. So now there's still possibility of it continuing to push to the upside. Let's draw a trend line right here. Let's see. So we can be expecting more push to the upside, right, based on that push, right, to at least target right here. So now let's go to my daily time frame and see. We can see the fact that on my daily time frame, right, we can see that my sell hit my negative 27% fib level right here. We had this impulse correction around 38.2% fib level, pushed down a little bit, but we did not hit my negative 27% fib level. So based on that, I'm predicting it to at least continue to push to the downside to hit my negative 20% fib level. We can see that we are currently rejecting around 61.8% fib level, which also aligns with the previous breakout structure with this beautiful bear candlestick right here. So I'm still expecting some sort of like a push to the downside, but remember this is the daily time frame, so this is still like a very long time. I'm just putting that out there just to show that I am more biased towards a sell rather than a buy. And if I even use a trend line right here, we can see that we have given us a touch of the trend line, as you can see. So I see possibility of it pushing to the downside, right, to at least my overall level still be right around here. Like I said, remember this is the daily time frame. This might take a while for it to happen. So let's see, we have 4, 8, 4. Okay, let's go to my 4-hour time frame. So we can see that this is a very significant area. If I draw a zone right here, alright, we can see that based on the prior price action, we have rejected around that zone quite a number of times. We can see here, and here, and it's also around the negative 61.8% fib level. So that shows the possibility of it dropping at least to maybe around this area right here, which is around 2350. Then we might continue to either push up or continue to push down. We can also draw a mini line right here from here to here, right? Let's see. Right here, let's see. If I have a mini fib point A here to point B, right? We can see point A here to point B. You can see that even here, right here, aligns with my negative 27% fib level. So I'm still predicting it to at least get to that level right there. So we can see that we might hit right here or my TP2, which is my negative 61.8% fib level right here, right? And there is still an option for it to come down to around 2337.024, because that is the last one we broke right here, and we haven't retested that zone. We tested the zone, right? So there's the possibility for it to push more to the downside like that, right? And there's still also room for this impulse right here, break the zone right here, retest. There's room for this area right here to be filled and this area right here to be filled. But like I said, I like to do it one step at a time. I don't like predicting way too much in the future because I'm an intraday trader anyway. So now let's say put my first TP area right here, second TP area right here, right? So let's just put my tag right around this area right here. Let's see that will be 357.70. Okay, the next one around here will be 139.37. So just the fact that we know that we don't predict the market react to the market, right? Just in case we see an impulse break here, right here, to push to the upside, right? Then this would be a target for a buy, right? But I'm certainly more biased towards a sell rather than a buy, but we know that anything can happen, so I like to have room for that here to here. So this is my quick thoughts on gold, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.